Okay, so I will not use this one. This is just to toggle name and date. Okay. Properties done, wellbore done, production already, static pressure. Now you can see for the editors, I have test info. Okay, the column shut in time. If you want, you can tick or untick. In this case, I don't have the exact data. Static wellhead pressure. I don't record the wellhead pressure during the static condition. Effective gradient. No. Gauge datum offset. But the most important thing are here. Test date. So I have 3 points. Static gauge depth pressure. Okay. Gauge depth in TVD. Okay. And you see here the top perf. It is automatically populated. We provide the top perf and bottom perf on the well configuration tab, send face depth. Okay. And then, okay, here static gauge depth pressure and static send face pressure, the same. Okay, now here use in analysis, and static pressure at datum depth, the same. So I consider the send face depth to be the datum depth. Okay, and actually the one I input here, it is actually static gauge depth pressure, but I can use my, so I can just set the gauge depth to be the send face depth. So I already extrapolate the pressure from the gauge depth to the send face depth, and then I put it here, and then I make the send face depth, the send face pressure to be the same with gauge depth pressure. Okay. You can also input here shut-in time. Usually it is very important so that you are certain whether or not you have achieved the pseudo steady state condition. Static wellhead pressure. I recommend you to provide the data during your observation. Okay, so I have 3 points. That's why on the diagnostic plot, you see these 3 points. Okay. Of course, in the material balance, in the P over Z analysis, these 3 points will be used. Okay. Go back to analysis. And then here, we will check the flowing material balance. I will show you first the result, and then later on, I will construct the flowing material balance.